How do you change the private address on the iPhone? Let me show you how it all works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. In one of my videos, which I made earlier, I talked about the private address within, the Apple account and your actual physical address in like your maps and that kind of stuff. However, if you wanted to look it up within the Wi-Fi and the address of the Wi-Fi, you can go to the main settings app, tap on the Wi-Fi section, and tap on the information icon next to the network that you are connected to. So there's the blue check mark. We are connected to that Wi-Fi network. Tap on the blue eye information icon and you'll be able to see so many different things. And there is a private address for the Wi-Fi menu. So you're going to tap on it and turn it off. Let it fixed or rotating. So you have more things to pick between. You can see that's kind of how it works. You also have the Wi-Fi address listed in here right below it. So if you are looking for that specifically, this is where you can find it instead. And that is another video which I had to make about this topic. So I just quickly wanted to get it out of the way and explain how it works. Let me know if you liked the video and if it worked. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything important. And I'll talk to you later. So stay tuned for more and I'll talk to you soon.